Welcome to our second video, How to Make College Worth It, the True Cost of College. I'm Ashley Trimble, a middle school teacher in South Florida. In today's video, we'll discuss the price of a college education, why the four-year degree is becoming a thing of the past, and the effect of your actions or inactions. You should own your future and control your college costs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy. Why is it so important to get college right the first time? Duh. Who can afford it the second time? We all know how expensive college is. Did you know that the national student debt is well in excess of $1.5 trillion? Yeah, that's a lot of money. When the effects of inflation are removed, the cost of a bachelor's degree has increased by 100% over the last 30 years. What additional value have students received that justifies this increase? Nothing. Education is basically the same from when I was in school 15 years ago. The average cost of a four-year bachelor's degree is $108,000. You can buy a small house for that. Are you aware that only 44% of graduates that earn a bachelor's degree are actually graduating within the prescribed four-year time frame? I would think that if you're going to spend that much money on a degree, you would make sure that you don't waste time and money and that the degree is going to benefit you. These students that get bachelor's degrees in 4 years are like unicorns. With over 26% of graduates taking more than 6 years to earn their bachelor's degree, colleges are making lots of money and students are wasting even more. Why is it so hard for students to graduate with a bachelor's in 4 years? There are so many reasons. Number 1, written plan. The lack of well thought out written plan for life after high school is the biggest problem. Most students don't do this because they don't know how and don't understand how important it is. Once you define what you want out of life, it's just common sense to develop a plan on how to get it. Planning is hard if you are doing something for the first time, like college and a career. That's why my dad wrote How to Own Your Future College Edition. His company pioneered project management techniques, many of which he uses in the book to help students. You may not understand the need for a detailed plan, but if you keep watching these videos, I promise you will. Number 2, taking a full load. Students! You may not know this, but taking 12 credit hours each semester is not enough to graduate in 4 years. That is only the threshold to be considered a full-time student by the college. It actually takes 15 credit hours per semester to graduate in the prescribed 4 years. Hello? Save yourself some time. Number 3, classes you don't need. Students often take courses that they don't need and don't count towards their degree. This is careless and expensive. If you do this and you are on scholarship, you are wasting money that could help someone else. If you are not on scholarship, you are wasting money that adds to your student debt or cost extra to your parents. Number 4, credits that don't transfer. If you are at a community college, avoid taking classes whose credits don't transfer to another school. We love community colleges, and this is not their fault when it happens. This is another good reason to plan and schedule your classes ahead of time. Number 5, changing majors. According to the U.S. Department of Education, within 3 years of initial enrollment, 30% of students will change majors once, and 10% will change more than once. Changing majors can cost you serious dollars. Can you smell that money burning? Did you know that 73% of bachelor degree holders in the workplace have a job not even related to their major? What? Our next video will discuss this problem and talk about how to best select your major so it benefits you. Number 6, double majors. Some students are convinced a double major will give them an extra edge when obtaining a job after graduation. Double majors are usually a bad idea. If someone has told you this, or you are convinced for some other reason, we suggest you talk to a hiring executive who hires for occupations like the one you desire after school. This is the person that knows better than anyone else. I strongly suspect they will tell you not to waste your time. It's expensive and usually has no payback. Students are often so proud that they have a double major, like it makes them special. It doesn't. It doesn't make them special at all. In fact, it makes college more expensive than it has to be. A double major probably is not a good use of your money. Number 7, some degrees require more credits than others. You should know this before you select a major. Understand the additional cost and make sure that the benefit is worth the expense. Number 8, Required classes are often unavailable as most schools are on a semester system, which means fewer classes are offered. This will stretch college out longer than necessary and cost more in time and money. And once again, this points out the need to have all classes planned early. These are just some of the bigger reasons a four-year degree is becoming so rare, like that unicorn we spoke about. Graduating on time is better for you and much cheaper. I don't know about you, but I'd rather be making money instead of spending it. Come back and check out our next video, How to Make College Worth It. Avoid making a major mistake. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you tell us what you liked and what you would like to see in future videos in our comment section below. To learn more about how to own your future college edition, go to howtoown.org and follow us on Twitter.